am Zaira Gallardo, a grade 9 student from San Jose National High School. Start when I was a grade 8 student, which is advisor of SB Santiago, a very kind advisor that I had. I'm so grateful, or I'm so thankful to be part of 8 Matthew, because from this section I met a lot of friends that I still have right now. I encounter people and experience and create memories with them. Now I am one of 9 Diamond. This section gives me a lot of experience, and I learn new things and lessons. I enjoy going to school with these people, with my classmates. Improve myself and I build confidence because of 9 Diamonds. I was thankful. We are thankful because we had an advisor, which is Ma'am Roslyn, that always there for us to support and guide us whenever what happened. So I would like to say thank you for all teachers that we have. I want to say thank you for teaching us, not just because of the name of their work, it's also they are willing to stand in front to teach us like our parents. There are so many activities and opportunities for students to develop our skills and knowledge. I'm grateful, or we are grateful, to be part of San Jose National High School. San Jose National High School is open to enhance every student's San Jose that will give hope for students that hopeless and unmotivated. Every year is memorable and gives an excitement because you feel welcome and you have compassion, and you're not alone. I hope San Jose will create more activities and opportunities for students that San Jose feels like home. So that's all. I encourage you to be part of San Jose National High School. Again, I am Zaira Gallardo, a grade 9 student from San Jose National High School. Proud to be Joseñans. That's it. Thank you. Bye.